Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys call setting. And today video title is guys how to unblock contact number in Infinix mobile. Friends, you have blocked any contact number, you want to unblock number. So friends, how to unblock number one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to unblock contact number. Friends, open your phone call setting. After on phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. After on your phone call setting friends, click here right side three dot, and friends first of all click here setting. After on your phone call setting friends, you can use call recording setting, block number setting, display option, quick response setting, you can use it. So once you want to edit, you want to use quick response, you can edit from here. Friends, click here blocked number. Friends, you have blocked any call, so you can unblock from here. And friends, you have blocked SMS, so you can unblock from here. Friends, I have two number in my block list and I will remove number from block list. So friends, right click here, number will remove from block list. After remove number friends, now you can receive call and SMS again from this number. Remove option, contact number will remove, number will unblocked. Again click here, number will unblocked. And friends, now you can use your phone, and friends you can check I don't have any number in my block list. So like that friends, you can unblock contact number, you can remove number from block list in your Infinix mobile. And friends, now we will use call settings. Friends, if you click here quick response, you want to edit quick response, you can edit. Example is here, okay, I am free, and right click here. So friends, you can edit contact. Also friends, you can edit quick response. And friends, you want to on call ID announcement setting, you can on call ID announcement in your Infinix mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.